What is good, everybody? Look, it's been a long time since I made a YouTube video. I got something I'm doing today that I specifically want on YouTube because I want other people to know if this works. The M3 is in serious need of some new tires, and look what I have. My only issue is that 305 and these are 255, so I'm going down one size in the front because I rub and I hate it. And I'm going up a size in the rear because I want the fitment to be better. I know what you're probably thinking. You're probably thinking, I thought your fitment was really good. Well, it is because I'm running a 12mm spacer in the rear with the 295. I've taken the spacer off and it's like, you would think there'd be enough room for a 305. Yesterday while test fitting them, I don't know. I'm gonna take these tires to the tire shop and then run back and grab the M3, and we're gonna figure out if this works. I'm gonna be kind of devastated if it doesn't, because I spent a lot of money on these tires and I need them really bad. I'll show you a picture right now of what the 295s look like.
Man, they didn't know me way back when, but they do nowadays. I got folks in different states and they be going out their way. The sun shining, money piling, everything been going good. The sun shining, money piling, everything been going good. The sun shining, money piling, everything been going good. The sun shining, money piling, everything been going good. They tryna book me like librarians, my schedule getting hectic. I touch down inside your area, my pockets getting breaded. Ride around inside a car, you can't enunciate. They be talking this and that, but they got nothing to say. Personally, if it's up to me.
Okay, so this is what my wheel well looks like without the spacer. So a 305 without a spacer would have to fit, right? I think it's pretty close, but it's just one of them things. Wouldn't surprise me if I had bad luck today and they'd be like, hey, they don't fit, they're too tight. Golly. Alright guys, I'm about to show you the 305s. Now I did downsize in the front by one size. I went to a 255 instead of a 265 because I was always rubbing severely in the front. And the fitment's not as good obviously, but I'm super happy to not be rubbing every time I go over a bump. The rear is what I was worried about, and let me show you how sick this looks. I definitely rub a tad in the rear going over pretty severe bumps, but it doesn't matter to me. Look at how meaty this tire looks. Oh, the fitment is perfect. I was so worried about the 305. I love the meatier look. It looks so much better. God, look at that. The side profile of the fatter tire is just like, whenever I get my coilovers, I'm definitely going to be able to get that dialed with some camber. It looks so good. I love it. Okay, so I've been driving around and I'm really running into no problems with these 305s on the car. I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm extremely happy that I decided to go with the 305 in the back. It just, I don't know, like getting really good fitment with a spacer to me is just like, it's not really what I want to do. Now that being said, I do have one gripe about what I decided to do this time, and I'll kind of justify it. So, while the fitment in the rear took a step up, the fitment in the front took a step back. And I used to have like credit card fitment on the front, no lie. but the car scraped so bad over bumps and stuff that it just kind of took the fun and enjoyment out of the car for me. You couldn't even push the car really because you'd be scared you were going to crack a fender or something. Everybody told me to go with a 265 whenever I got my wheels in the front, a 265, and I believed them. I don't know what kind of tires you guys are running or what wheel offsets, but that was just a little bit too big. So I went with the 255 and no more rubbing anymore, and that makes me so happy. One last thing I say before I want to wrap this video up is that I checked the forums. I posted on Facebook about running 305's on my F80, 305 30/20s with my offsets, and everybody said do not do it. It will not work. It's too tight. And I'm on EMD springs and my shocks are bad. So my car is even lower than it should be and I'm having no problem. So if you run an F80 M3 and you want to go to 305's and you got a 20, you want a 305 30, I say go ahead and do it. It looks very meaty in the back and I love that. Anyways, if this is helpful to you and you were looking for the answer, here it is. Go ahead and do it. Like and sub, and I'm going to catch you guys in the next one. Peace.